Imagine turning hours of meetings, interviews, or lectures into text in just minutes. With MegaTranscript's AI transcription tool, it's never been easier to save time and boost productivity. Here's how it works: simply upload your audio or video file, and let our AI do the rest. In seconds, it transforms your content into accurate, editable text that's ready to use. Whether you're a business professional capturing meeting notes, an educator creating lecture materials, or a content creator repurposing scripts, MegaTranscript delivers the precision and speed you need. Why spend hours transcribing when you can let AI handle it for you? Take control of your time and focus on what truly matters. Try MegaTranscript today and experience the power of AI transcription.